Good morning and Jai Gurudev student. Today we will discuss new lesson number 7, coordinate geometry. We have already discussed in class 9 also. In class 9 we have discussed the distance of a point from y-axis is called each x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called each y-coordinate or ordinate. And the coordinate of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and the point on the y-axis are of the point 0, y. This one we have already discussed in class 9. Now in class 10, this lesson number 7, coordinate geometry, we have to discuss distance formula. First we discuss distance formula. Here distance formula, we have to discuss distance formula. Here we discuss two distance formula. First one is distance between point and the origin, and second one we have to discuss distance between 2 points. In term 1, only MCQ is there. There is no derivation of this formula. That's why we will explain only these two formula. With the help of this one formula, we can solve exercise 7.1. Now, first one, the distance of a point P from the origin O. Suppose this one coordinate plane and O is the origin, this one x-axis, y-axis, and P is the point. This P point coordinate is x and y. X means we know the distance between point and the y-axis, and y coordinate means what? Distance between point and the x-axis. That's why this one distance will be x and this one distance will be y. Then OP will be what? It is a right angle triangle. Therefore, OP will be x square root over x square plus y square by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the formula to find the distance of a point P xy means coordinate xy from the origin O is given by what? OP is equal to, PO is equal to what? X square plus y square. This one distance formula, distance of a point and from the origin. The next one, very important formula, the distance between any 2 points. Suppose A equal to x1 y1 and B equal to x2 y2. B coordinate is x2 y2. A point coordinate is x1 y1. Then this one distance we find with the help of which one formula? This one, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means what? That means difference of abscissa whole square plus difference of ordinate square. That means this is the point A, this one B. Here A point coordinate is x1 y1, B point coordinate is x2 y2. Okay. Now we have to find the distance between A and B. This one distance will be what? x2 root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And this one formula, because here square is there, that's why here AB equal to, we can write like this way also, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You can use this one or this one. Okay. If you write in place of x2, if you write x1, and in place of x1 you write x2, and similarly in place of y2 minus y1 if you write y1 minus y2, will be same result. Why? Because here squares are there. That's why with the help of this one or this one formula, we can easily find the distance between 2 points. Just to remember these two formula. Now we will discuss exercise 7.1. Now exercise 7.1. First one question, find the distance between the following pair of pairs of point. First one pairs of points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Suppose this one point coordinate is 2, 3, another point coordinate is 4, 1. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. We solve this one sum like this way. Suppose here if we take x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to how much? 1. Then therefore the required distance, therefore the required distance is equal to what happened? We know the formula. What formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In place of x1, x2, y1, y2, we have to put the value. Now x2 means 2 minus, x2 means 4, x1 means 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 3 whole square. Now this one 4 minus 2 means 2 square plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2 whole square. This one means this one 4 plus 4. Okay. That means this means what? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 means 2 root 2. Square root of 4 is 2 root 2. Okay. This one is the answer. Here you can write unit also because this one distance. I hope understand. Next second one sum. Here two coordinates given minus 5, 7 and minus 3, 1. I hope you can do it. Okay. Then third one given one coordinate is AB, another coordinate is minus A minus B. That one I'll do. Okay. Here if we take x1 is equal to A, y1 is equal to B, x2 is equal to minus A, y2 is equal to minus B, then the required distance will be what? In place of x2 we have to put what? Minus A minus A. x1 is equal to A, therefore x2 is equal to minus B, then minus A. This one square plus minus B whole square. Now to minus twice A whole square plus minus twice B whole square. Okay. That means this one 4A square plus 4B square. If we take common 4, then what happened? A square plus B square. Now square root of 4 is 2, square root of A square plus B square. This is the answer. That means distance between these 2 points will be 2 root over A square plus B square. I hope all of you understand. Question number 1, 2 you do as a homework.